Alright, now let's see what we can do with this image using our Kiwi module. The Kiwi module is actually an angle generation module. In other words, it tries to create multiple different angles using this image. Close-ups, wide shots, and so on. The soft model works very accurately. Here, for example, with the soft model, I'm going to generate 15 variations. I'm specifically choosing 15 because in these three modules, pineapple, kiwi, and avocado, having alternatives is incredibly important. The prices of our membership packages also increase based on the number of alternatives. Because when you try to generate 15 images with a single click, the server load is truly incredible. Therefore, to handle this server load, we had to increase the prices. But I also want to provide this service because now look, you'll see. For instance, let's say you've created an image with AI. The task of rendering that image from different angles is an incredibly difficult job. But this way, thanks to this, you have the chance to get some really fantastic results. Look, you can see it's generating them one after another. Some of them might actually look like the same angle, but you see, because there are so many different alternatives, the variations and the angles of the images we get are also different. So here, for example, this one, the next one, and the one after that are almost the same, but for instance, a few different ones can pop up. For example, look at this one. There we go. Maybe it could be used for a detail shot. For example, this one is nice, this one is ridiculous. For instance, this one could also work. This is also a bit of a close-up angle. For example, this one is nice. It could be used in presentations. For instance, look, this is quite beautiful. I mean, pay attention. This isn't just random. It's creating these based on your image. Look, it's taken a photo of this section, the balconies and all. It's incredible. I mean, if you really look here, it's very good. Incredible, really, very beautiful. Then, like this, look, there's also an image of the entrance, but is there an entrance like that? I honestly don't know. I want to take a look. Yes, it's also made an image of the entrance like this, in a different way, with alternatives. Yes, it's even done a night version. It's touched on this part too. We can generate results like this, here, by choosing balance, and if I assume you're working with, say, a package with fewer variations, then I'd recommend choosing balance and contrast. That's because balance and contrast have a slightly better chance of producing different, more creative results, even with a lower number of variations. You can use these too. Yes, look, for example, with the balance model, it created some more varied angles. This one is very nice, for instance. Look, this one is good. Yes, you can also use the balance model. And with that, I think I've been able to clearly explain exactly what the Kiwi module does.